Yo, what's up, slackers? Day 35 here on the PDVs, and I predicted right. It's snowing like crazy, and in the dealership right now, they brought all the pre-owned cars in to the garage right here, and here's our back lot right there. They took a lot of the cars out. Look at him, he's just shoving all the snow up right up into the corner. Who is that out there? I don't know.
What's up, Paul? We're getting ready to lock up. What's up?
Yeah, it's like 3:30, 3:40 right now. We're actually starting to get ready to leave early, I guess. I don't know what time. But I just wanted to show you guys this because it's pretty insane. Look at all the cars in here. Pretty cool. Nobody does vlogs like this. Oh man, they got a SRTA Charger up here? Oh, that's the one from the back.
Guys got those idiot fucking customers. What the fuck are they thinking? They've been here for like fucking 3 hours.
I know.
They're getting a fucking snowstorm.
Yeah.
Say that.
Unfortunately, yeah, I know. Look at this contraption right here. This is something you don't see all the time. A car on the lift with a car underneath it.
Oh,
That's
is this
cool.
a new car or is it a used car? You took that out on a test drive.
No, oh, this is the one from the back. This is an Avenger, pre-owned.
It's pre-owned.
It's pre-owned from the back. Actually, where's the blue Hemi Charger? The 2006. Did that sell?
It's out back there.
Oh, it's back there still? No, that's all I wanted to say. Let's see if we can get 20 likes. Please be safe. And if you have nothing to comment, you always have something to comment. Let me know that you're a proud member of Team Slacker down below. And whatever viewer you are, let me know. Be safe. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and peace the hell out.